Sean, that is Bow's cousin. He is cleaning the chicken necks, so sometimes we can cook. And here is Jack. Jack is a very patient boy. He never create any kind of trouble for us. So let's see, whenever we get a chance to cook, he will get something. But the most beautiful thing is that he is a good boy. He never ever do something we call naughty things. So he is a wonderful boy. Shan bhai. So let's see, if you want to eat something, we have a cylinder in that corner and we will cook over it. So if you want to taste something, you are always welcome. Thank you.